may interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This station will continue to serve the Carolina area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Carolina area. Federal authorities have confirmed an unknown virus in your local area. Avoid all contact with affected individuals. Residents in your local area are advised to gather enough food and water to last 3 days and seek refuge in a fortified shelter. Do not leave your shelter for any reason. If you are forced to abandon your shelter for any reason, it is advised that you take the appropriate measures to defend yourself from affected individuals.